Am I the only one who didn't know that math started with nature? Your mind will be blown. Just imagine, people in ancient times looked at the world around them. They saw how symmetrical leaves are, the spirals in seashells, and how the ocean waves move up and down. These patterns were nature's way of teaching us math. By observing these things regularly, we created numbers, geometry, and later complex equations. From the Fibonacci sequence hidden in sunflower seeds to the geometry of a honeycomb. Our logical evolution happened because of this beautiful world. Math isn't just numbers written on a page, it's the language of the whole world. The next time you see a snowflake or a starry sky, remember, you're seeing math in its purest form. Isn't that amazing?